Okay, now we shall discuss equal sets. Equal sets. Equal sets. What is the definition of equal sets? Yes, two sets having same elements. Yes or no? Two sets. Two sets A and B. Two sets A and B are said to be equal sets. Equal sets if they have exactly same element, exactly same elements is okay. It is denoted by A is equals to B. And understand? Yes, two sets A and B having exactly same elements is called a equal sets. Okay, it is denoted by A is equals to B. For example, A is equals to set of A, E, I, O, U. B is equals to set of E, O, U, I, A. Yes or no? Yes. Now observe here. A belongs to A. Yes. A belongs to A. A is also belongs to B. Here E is belongs to A, E is belongs to B, I is belongs to A, I is belongs to B, U is belongs to B, and U is belongs to A. Yes, all elements in A is equals to all elements is equals to B. So A is equals to B. I understand? So this is called A is equals to B. Equal sets. For example, one more. A is equals to 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Set having repeated elements, but we are also taking 1. Here 1, yes, A is equals to 1. Here 2 is repeated 2 times. Yes or no? 2 is repeated 2 times, but we are also taking 1 time. So 2. Here 3 is repeated 2 times, that we are also taking 3. So A is equals to 1, 2, 3. B is equals to, for example, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3. These are equal or not equal? Now we are also checking. 1 repeated 2 times, so you can take 1 time. Yes or no? 2 repeated 2 times, but you are also taking 1 time. 3 also repeated 3 times, so you are also taking 1 time. Yes, here A set having 3 elements 1, 2, 3. B set having 3 elements 1, 2, 3. So same elements are there. A and B having same elements. So A is equals to B. Equal sets का definition क्या है? Sets having same elements. Now we shall discuss one more problem. Example 7. Find the pairs of equal sets if any give reasons A is equals to set of 0, B is equals to X such that X greater than 15 and X less than 5. C is equals to X such that X minus 5 equals to 0. D is equals to X such that X square is equals to 25. E is equals to E is equals to X such that X is an integral positive root of the equation x square minus 2x minus 15 is equals to 0. This is the question. Now we shall discuss now here. A set contains only one element, that is 0. This is not an empty set because A set having only one element. Empty set का meaning क्या है? A set which does not contain any element, but here one element is there, so this is not a empty set. Here 0 element is there, so A set of 0. A set of 0. This is finite set. Yes or no? This is a roster form. Now B क्या है? B क्या है? X such that x greater than 15 and x less than 5. This is set builder form. Now we can create it into roster form. Convert into roster form. X greater than 15 का above numbers बताइए. and x less than 5. x less than 5 का मीनिंग क्या है? 5 का बिलो नंबर्स बताइए. क्या क्या है? 1 2 3 5 and so on. ओके सॉरी, x लेस देन 5 मीन्स 1 2 3 4 तक. नेक्स्ट वन x ग्रेटर देन 15. x ग्रेटर देन 15 मीनिंग क्या है? 16 से सब. c इज इक्वल्स टू क्या है? c इज इक्वल्स टू x such that x minus 5, that is also set builder form, so you can take only x minus 5 equals 0, x is equals to 5. d क्या है? d क्या है? x square is equals to 25, then x is equal to plus or minus 5. yes, plus or minus 5. ये क्या है? ये क्या है? ये क्या है? x square minus 2x minus x square minus 2x minus here e is equals to क्या है? x square minus 2x minus 15 is equals to 0. that is the quadratic equation. how can you find out the roots of the quadratic equation? सबको मालूम है x इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस बी प्लस आर माइनस रूट और बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac बाई 2a माइनस बी. यस, 2 प्लस आर माइनस रूट आवर बी स्क्वायर 4. यस, 4 माइनस 4ac. ये वैल्यू कितना है? 1. सी वैल्यू कितना है? माइनस 15. सो माइनस ऑफ माइनस प्लस एंड 15 4 60 बाई 2 इंटू 1 2a. x इज इक्वल्स टू 2 प्लस आर माइनस 64 means root 64 means 8 by 2. so 2 plus 8 10 by 2 कितना? 5 2 minus 8 minus 6. yes or no? 2 minus 8 minus 6 by 2 means minus 3. so roots are 3 minus 3 and 5. here observe here, x is an integral positive root. Integral positive root means we are also taking positive value only, we don't take negative value. so 5. yes or no? yes. or understand or not? here directly we can divide it into roots, no problem. x square we are also doing. here x square minus 2x है ना, minus 5x. yes or no? plus 3x minus 15 is equals to 0. x common x minus 5 plus 3 common x minus 5 is equals to 0. x minus 5 will be comes outside. x plus 3 is equals to 0. so x is equals to 5 and x is equals to minus 3. this is the other method. okay, as you like. so here e is equals to 5. now checking here, a and b कंपेयर करेंगे. सबसे पहले a and b. a belongs to 0 belongs to a. yes or no? 0 belongs to a, but here 0 for example 0 है. here -1 का बिलो 0 है, ठीक है, जाने दो 0 0. but 1 belongs to b, but 1 does not belongs to a. 2 belongs to b, but 2 does not belongs to a. 3 belongs to b, 3 does not belongs to a. so a not equals to b. yes or no? yes. here next a and c. here 0, here 5, so a not equals to c. clearly we mention. a and d 0 इधर. yes, a not equals to d. simple we can get. a and e नो, ए नॉट इक्वल्स टू ई, यस हो गया, ए से हो गया. अब बी से, बी एंड सी, बी एंड सी, 5 belongs to C but 5 does not belongs to B. Okay, B not equals to C, B not equals to D, but here, yes, no element. Next one, B and E, B and E, yes, B and E, B not equals to E. Okay, C and D, C and D, C and D, C and D, either 5 belongs to C, yes, 5 belongs to D, but minus 5 belongs to D, minus 5 does not belongs to C, so C not equals to D. Next one, C and E, C and E, yes, C and E, C is equals to E, C and E having only one element, that is also same, so C is equals to E. Here C and E are equal sets. And D and E, D and E, no, D and E, D not equals to E. 5 belongs to D, here 5 belongs to E, but here minus 5 belongs to D and minus 5 does not belongs to E, so D not equals to E. Are understand or not? Yes, very good. Okay.